powered by Plascon. Today's handy hero comes from Buco Claremont.
The store has been in this community for quite some time. It started off as penny pinchers and then it changed to Buco not long after that, and it became more than a hardware store. What makes us the best hardware store is the fact that we're always going out that extra mile where the customer is concerned. For us, customer is king.
The service I receive at Buco is excellent. Firstly, because we've got an account and they look after us.
Every day you will see our staff, they will attend to the customers and hear their needs, and if they can't help, they will go out of their way and try and get that product that the customer wants. We are the best store to buy the Plascon paint because we are a point of sale store. And in my past experience, I've started off with knowing Plascon and how passionate Plascon is about their paint to serve a customer, and that has installed in myself and my team.
I've never had any problems myself with Plascon for all the years that I've been in the trade. My favorite Plascon is Volgler water-based. My reason for that is you can basically call it a multi-surface primer and a top coat. It gives you a velvet sheen finish, fully washable. It's a polyurethane base, so it's extremely hard wearing. You can use it basically anywhere in the house. My DIY tip to all clients: surface preparation, firstly, can't be avoided. Your painting comes afterwards, your prep work needs to be done correctly in order for that paint to last.
Today's handy heroes is powered by Plascon, wall and all. Unmatched dirt, stain, water and fade resistance to keep your walls beautiful for years. Plascon, together we've got this.